welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm in Aldi. It's been a while I haven't been here, and they have some nice frying pan for $14.99. These are nice. Let's see the price, $9. And a whole stock of pots and pans. Guys, here's Tony. Inside here is empty, it's very empty today. Let's go on the other side, guys. Let me see. Waffle makers. Let's see how much. Oh, $9.99. It's reasonable. And they have some nice pillows. I have one of this. It's very nice to use in the nights when I'm in my bed. This color is nice. Let's see how much for the towels. $29.99. So guys, it's Friday evening and it is a bit empty. Kids' school shoes and sneakers, socks, you name it. Oh, this is nice. One is nice, guys. It's a very nice lunch box. Whitening kit, $9. I wonder if this really works. It's two different. Oh wow, there's three different types. So guys, Tony is around the next section, so I'm gonna catch up with him. Here you can get hose and all the things that you want for your garden. I've just passed it. I must take up a small one on this because we are traveling soon. Just need that for Tony's for 3 days, for over a week. rather, over a week. We're going away for over a week, so guys, as you see, there's no one in here much. I need a liquid soap. I need a dishwashing liquid and some other things. So let me see if Tony take them up already. Oh, no. I need a vinegar. I'm running out. Some dishwashing liquid. Take up one of this here carry. You carry ready to wash your hair.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Let's go and take up the liquid soap. So guys, we are heading around the liquid soap section. As you can see, not much people in here. It's a good time to come. I am gonna look for my favorite cornflakes. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Guys, these liquid soaps are good. And we're not run out of wipes yet. We need toothpaste. The one I use, guys. Very good. Don't get me wrong, I have also Colgate at home, but I'm running low on this one. I just cannot believe that Aldi is so empty. I think it right. Yep. I need washing soap. Oh, you just took off one? You took some washing soap? That's dishwashing liquid for kitchen. So guys, I'm just doing a quick walk through, as I said before. Guys, you remember me using this in my video on Michie booze to sharpen my knife. You can get one of this. They're very cheap. So I think we need some fish. We have chicken. I wish I take up more chicken. There's curry, some curry. So guys, this is the bread that we eat. It's really empty in here, guys. Not much, not much. I still have turkey from Christmas. Okay. I think I'm gonna just buy a bag of barramundi fish. So guys, we are gonna go to the cashier now. So do the eggs already? Sugar? Alright. And flour? Flour is there? Flour. Just a small one, but I have some already at home. So guys, this is the end of this video, guys. We are heading to the cashier. Let me cut the video because I don't want to get other people in it. So guys, Tony is at the front, so we are gonna go and get packing. So guys, Tony always move fast. So I let him do that part. What? So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video, guys.